Hello everyone, good day. Today there is a Hyundai Tucson with error code B124111. The cooling system temperature sensor is weak. Come check it out with us. Technicians are checking with a diagnostic machine to give the most accurate results. The machine is scanning. Wait a moment. Here is the result. The error that the technician found is circled in the video. Continue diagnosing it and error code B124111 appears. The evaporator sensor is not working properly and is damaged. Continuing to enter the actual data and check. The results of this sensor actually reported the wrong temperature, causing the ECU to prevent the cold block from running, causing the car to lose cold. This is a new sensor that needs to be replaced. In my hand, it is a genuine product. And this is the replacement position close to the accelerator. Replacing it is quite simple. This is an old sensor that needs to be replaced. After replacing, check again, and there are no more errors. At this point, error code B124111 is considered completely fixed. And let's continue to watch the new cam in action. The evaporator temperature started to decrease. Everything is working well. So the error code has been resolved. Thank you everyone for watching. Contact me via the phone number above for free consultation when your car has problems.